Hi, today I'm going to make yellow loosestrife, a very pretty and very easy to make flower. Materials required are crepe paper in yellow and green, thin wire, a thick wire, a red colored oil pastel, and some cotton wool. All the measurements are in centimeter. This is the stencil for the stamen. This is 2 centimeters by half a centimeter. Cut 1 piece per flower. This is of the petal. This is 2.5 by 3 centimeters. Cut 1 piece and as many as you want. This is of the bud. This is 1.5 by 1.5. Again, as many as you want. This is the sepal. This is 1.5 by 1.5 again. Cut as many as the buds and flowers are. And these are of the leaves. This is the bigger leaf. This is 11 centimeters by 4.5 centimeters. And the smaller one is 6 centimeters by 3 centimeters. Cut as many as you like. For the flower, first cut a piece of thin wire. This is about 6.5 centimeters. Now take the petal and take the red colored crayon and just color this on the base of each petal lightly. Like so. Take the stamen piece and color it also midways, just at random. So come like this. Now just take the scissors and make 5 cuts on it, because this flower has 5 stamens. So like this, and then just curl it lightly like this. Now on the piece of the stamen, just apply glue. Take the thin wire, place it like this, and just roll it up. So it will look like this. Now take the piece, the petal piece, apply glue. Take the stamen, just put it at the same spot as the cut finishes of each petal, and then just give crimps and fold it around the stamen. Sticking the last petal on the first one, a bit like this. Just press the base. And even if it becomes uneven like this, doesn't matter, because you can always shape it later. Like so. Now take the square piece for the sepal and cut out 5 sepals on it, slightly triangular and very thin. Like so. Now just apply glue on the base and stick this like this. And now just open out the petals, just positioning them. So this is how the flower would look. For the bud, Cut another piece of thin wire. This is again 6.5 centimeters. Now take some cotton wool, very little. Put a little glue on one end of the wire and just put this glue and roll it. So you have a very thin piece like this. Take the piece for the bud, stretch it. Place the wool like this, fold over. And then just roll the ends. Like this. Take the piece for the sepal. You may need to stretch it a bit. This will come like this. Just fold over. So this is how the bud would look. Now take some green tape. And wind it from the base till the end. Like so. Then take some more green tape. Take the flower, then also attach the bud, like so. So you can attach more flowers or more buds in the same manner, like 2 buds and 2 flowers. Like so. For the leaf, cut a piece of thin wire. So this is about 7.5, and this is for the small leaf. So for the bigger leaf you have to cut accordingly. Now just score lines in it. Like so. Then take the green floral tape and wind it on this wire. Like this. And just turn the leaf over. Apply glue in the center and stick this on it. Like so. After the leaf has dried a bit, just bend it slightly. Just give it a little curve like this. So now just take the green tape, stretch it, take the thick wire, and you can start with any flower. If you have a bunch of buds you've made, so you can start with that. And just attach as you go initially. So when you have a good bunch like this, then you can attach these leaves. So the smaller leaves are normally opposite to each other. So I'll just attach one more. You can attach more of these. And just give a little gap, and then these bigger leaves would come, in a 3 leaves at the same spot. And they would have less of the stem, not too much, just about 1 centimeter or so. You can attach more leaves and more branches if you wish. I'll just position them so the bigger leaves would always form kind of a whirl, like so. Just open out the flowers a bit. And the smaller leaves would be opposite to each other. And this is how the branch would look.